What's up everyone, it's Angelina. This video I'm going to show you how I packed for my month in Greece in just a carry-on. Now I know that sounds pretty crazy, especially like me myself. I always overpack. I have this huge suitcase I always take that you could fit like 3 bodies in. But this time I actually got everything to fit in a carry-on. I really tried. It was challenging, but I did it. So once you go away on your trip, I promise you it's possible. You can do it.
So this is everything in my backpack. I have my planner, passport, phone, wallet, laptop charger, a notebook I'll be using to study with. This blue bag has cosmetic things like lotion, hand sanitizer, and whatnot, headphones, glasses, feminine products. That little bag has my cable and cords, portable charger, charging cube, chapstick, hairband, highlighter, pens, a daily journal, a thing of gum, and my neck pillow. So this is the backpack I'm using to store all of that stuff in. This is a good size to use because you can consider it your personal item, so you could just put it under the seat and also have a carry-on item, which will be my suitcase. This stores everything I need, and then on the bottom spot I also have a room to store an extra pair of sneakers, so that's what I'm putting in there. I just put my neck pillow on top.
So I'm going to start with this pile right here. These are all just t-shirts, you know, like normal, everyday t-shirts. The pile to the right of that, the top 2 are tank tops because it's going to be super hot in Greece, so these 2 are tank tops. This one is a baseball tee just for nighttime in case it gets cold. This side I just have a v-neck tank top, really loose and really comfortable. A simple black tee, a Forever 21 crop top, another crop top. This one's light blue if you can't tell. This red tank top, I'm hoping I'll wear it for the 4th of July since I'll be there. Then I have this nude tank top, this Old Navy active tank top. The thing I really like about this is it has this like hole in the back, so super loose and comfortable again. And then I have a more fancy black top over here, and then just a mustard crop top over there. Now moving on to the very end over here, I just have this simple blue like swing dress and then a romper that is this pattern. So this is everything that I'm going to store in this size packing cube. So we're going to start that now.
So I know you're supposed to roll all your clothes to save space, but I actually tried this a few different times and learned that if I fold my t-shirts in half, like not normally fold, but fold it in half, they fit better there. And then the things that normally get wrinkly, those are the things I'm rolling. But I did see that I save space if I don't roll, surprisingly. And also it's a lot neater if I don't roll, like I can see where everything is, so that's the reason I did not do that. And as you can see, I did manage to get all of my tops into this packing cube, and then I did put a charging adapter in there as well because you need those in different countries, and then I did put my 2 swimsuits in here.
So these are all of the pants I am packing. Starting up here, we have this navy blue skirt. It has a slit in the leg and a pencil skirt underneath. These are my flowy skirt pants from American Eagle. Love these. If you follow me on Instagram, I posted yesterday, I think, a picture and these pants were in them. I have leggings from Old Navy. I'll probably wear those on the plane. Some Nike crop leggings, pair of jeans, jean shorts, 2 little pairs of shorts to wear to bed, and then the top 2 are Old Navy shorts. They're more linen shorts, and then the bottom 2 are cotton-on shorts, and these are more athletic shorts. And this is the size packing cube I plan on getting all my pants in, so I'm going to start doing that now.
I did end up rolling my pants. I don't really know if it saves space or not. I didn't try it the other way, but it just was a lot neater for me to get to since all these pants are different sizes. And if you tried to fold them, then nothing would line up. So I did end up rolling all of these, and it all did fit really well, as you'll see. And then I did leave out that other pair of pants just because I plan on wearing those on the plane.
Next, I will be packing my shoes. So these right here are my Steve Madden sneakers. I got these at Burlington for like 30 bucks, originally 60. So I love these. I literally wear them all the time. They match everything, make every outfit look cute. So I love these. Basic white Converse, a pair of sandals just in case I have any occasions that I don't want to wear sneakers. And then those are not Chacos, those are Crocs. I call them my Crocos because I love Crocs and Chacos don't really work for me. So those are in case, I want open toe but also going to be doing a lot of walking. So I'm packing those, all these shoes. I'm trying to pack as little as possible if you can't already tell. And I do have a pair of running sneakers that I packed in my backpack. You already saw those blue sneakers. So now I have this little shoe bag that came with the packing cube, so I'm going to do my best to fit what I can in here. I'll actually probably wear these on the plane, so I'm going to leave these to the side. So my camera did die, but I was only able to fit my sandals and Converse into this shoe bag. Over here is the packing cube of pants. On this side we have the shirts, in this little pouch all my undies and whatnot. I'm going to put my straightener on this side along with my camera bag. Fit that in. I do have this for all my toiletries. I think I'm going to put this in my backpack because I still do have room in there. And then this pair of shoes, let's see, maybe we could just fit them like so. I also did stick a belt into the shoe bag, just an extra accessory. There was more room for it in there. So I did put a belt in there in case I will need that. That zips shut. This over like so. I do have more room if there's anything I need to fit. I'll probably put my hard drive in here for my computer. I'll take this little laundry bag with me that came with the packing cubes just in case I need that. Yes, this is the suitcase, so let's see if we can close it up. Oh boy, maybe not. Ah, awesome. Okay, it shuts, and I didn't even, okay, wait, let's put this in the center. So it shuts, and I didn't even use the, like this makes it wider, it opens it up more. I didn't even use that, and it shuts, so I'm super happy. This is a month's worth of stuff in a carry-on. This suitcase I got at TJ Maxx. It was fairly cheap, and I really love it. It has this leather brown detail here. It's like a pink salmon color. It's hard. It has the 4 wheels, which makes it really easy to navigate. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited that all this fits. There we go. So that is all. This is probably going in here. So this is all that I'm taking. Wow, I'm so proud of myself.